Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel as we are here again with another great video for you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to our channel and enjoy the video. In this world, everyone is busy in their lives. No one has any time for others. And nowadays everyone wants to earn more money. Some people will never leave you on the right end, and if they give you advice, they will surely not guide you properly. What to do in this situation? Dear viewers, you guys do not need to be worried anymore because here we are going to share all the information and stuff which will be helpful for you. So give this video a huge thumbs up because in today's video, we will tell you how you can make money on Fiverr. Everybody is saying that working on Fiverr is a great opportunity. You will definitely earn a tremendous amount of money from Fiverr. But no one is guiding correctly on how to do the whole procedure. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how you can earn money from Fiverr. Even if you are a beginner, it's not a big deal to start now, as the world is waiting for you to turn your magic on. If you are depressed and don't know what to do to make money, then here we are to solve your problem and fill your life with happiness. Let's start with the video. First, we will give you a little introduction to Fiverr. Fiverr is actually a marketplace. Anyone with any type of quality or experience can join Fiverr. There you will get clients who would be interested in your work and will give you tasks and orders. In this way, you can make money without having an experience of a specific thing. Or you can say that you will be able to earn with your hobbies or the things you enjoy doing daily. These may contain video making, video editing, article writing, logo designing, graphics designing, transcription, social networking, and many more options. Is there any better option available that you are earning and enjoying simultaneously? We will discuss the whole procedure and how you can get into it. As we mentioned, it is a marketplace where hundreds of thousands of people are selling and buying things nowadays. It is one of the leading marketplaces in the whole world. People offer services to their clients, and then clients purchase those services and pay for it. Those services are termed gigs. So, it is clear that if you want to start working on Fiverr, you first have to make your GIG. It means you must choose the correct option and criteria for your work. You should search for what kind of work is in demand. Then you should make your GIG. It can be a video or a portfolio of your expertise. Try to make your GIG stand it out. For this, you should first watch the gig representation of other sellers, and then make a decent idea and make your gig that can rank. Gig is actually an idea that you are giving the buyers about the work you can do, so it should be outstanding that more and more people should be attracted towards you. Gig making is a time-taking task, and if you do it professionally, no one will be able to stop you from earning from Fiverr. After designing your GIG, it's time to rank it at the top. By this, more and more people will be able to come across your GIG, and the chance of finding work for you will definitely increase. Here comes the main point. No one will tell you anything because it seems to be a secret for Fiverr users. But don't worry, we will share some excellent ideas with you that will make your gigs rank on Fiverr. After this, you will start getting more and more clients and will earn dollars. For this, you can make a dummy gig and buy your gig yourself. Then leave an attractive response below it so that people see the comments of others before purchasing anything. You can also manage to send some fake visitors to your GIG. By doing these kinds of things, your GIG will be noticed by more and more people. In this way, people will be able to see your work and can buy your gigs. How to make a perfect GIG on Fiverr. Don't forget to make perfect gigs for your Fiverr account, as they represent your abilities. There is much software available that you can use to create animated videos. Try to be a pro in video creation. Over time you will start getting work and finding many clients on Fiverr. Hence it is proved that nothing is that much difficult in this fast world. To earn a large amount of money from Fiverr is just a few clicks away. Make an account on Fiverr, follow the above guidelines, and keep the above secret ideas in mind. You will become one of those lucky people earning their livelihood quickly on Fiverr. If you don't know how to make an account on Fiverr, you may leave a comment below in the comment section. We will make an informative video for you in which you will get to know about how to create an account on Fiverr. Hope you guys liked the video, as it is our first priority to make you all happy and to solve your problems related to earning money. Please like and share this video so that more and more people can benefit from watching our video. Stay tuned till next time.